So today we're going to make a missing the letter worksheet for Teachers Pay Teachers. All right, and I want to show you how I do it. I go to a site called textmechanic.com. That's textmechanic.com. I go to the text tools, then to the all-in-one tool, and then the text manipulation notepad. Okay, I just backspace all of this. I guess they started adding Google AdWords to the side. That wasn't there before, but everybody has to make money, I guess. So then I copy and paste my word list. I have a list of 25 words, and I want to make missing the letter worksheet, like I said before. So then I go to the right side of the screen down where it says sort lines, and I can sort the lines alphabetically. I could sort the lines by length. I could sort the lines in reverse order to how I typed it, or I could just sort it in whatever order I choose. So today I'll choose to sort it in alphabetical order. I'm still at the right side of my screen here, and I then go to find and replace this text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace specific letters. So let's say I want to replace the letter A with like a space line. I forgot what you call that line, but anyway, let's say I want to replace the letter A. I just type A and find this letter and then replace it with a line. That's what's going to happen when I press replace text. Next I say I want to find B and I want to replace that. I want to find E now and I want to replace it. And as you can see, every time whatever letter I type in, I'm replacing it with a subscript line. I don't know what that's called, but anyway. And I press replace text. Let's say I want to replace I next. All right. Now this is what my missing the letter example is going to look like. And let's say I go to the spelling sheet that I'm making. So this is the spelling sheet I am making, and I have missing the letters. I already created my missing the letter example in Text Mechanic. I just go paste it right here. Oop, I am not explaining this well, but the point is I created entries for my missing the letter worksheet. And there we go. Took like 5 minutes. Let's say I want to make a reverse text worksheet, right? So I have a group of texts and I want to reverse the order in which they're written for students to figure out what word it is. So I'm in Text Mechanic, and let me show you where I went to for this one. I am here in Text Mechanic, and I go to Text Tools, and I think this one is the obfuscation tool, and then go to Reverse Text Generator. Close that. Okay, so I am in my reverse text generator. I typed in my group of words here, and all I do is click on reverse text. All right, and then what I am going to do is just copy that. I'm going to copy it here into my Teachers Pay Teachers worksheet that I'm making. All right. 13 on this page, and then I am going to enter the next 12 on this page, and there we go. It takes 5 minutes to make a missing the letter worksheet and a reverse text worksheet.